40 inches video gun. So lighting thunder effect, set only regular LED, microprocessor short, 3.3 voltage short. So I removed the IC and activated the original power supply. This is the standby voltage for 12 volt. This one is PFC. This one is for LED driver operated through SMBS. So in this power supply, 12 volt power supply is this one, and this is the aging point. See the 12 volt and ground available here, 12 volt and ground available here, power upgrade point, right? And then this one is the LED driver, double optional amplifier. This optocoupler is for backlight, this one is for backlight. See here, two more optocoupler available here. This one is for 12 volt regulating session. This is the 431 error coupling optocoupler. This one is the PFC on optocoupler and driving session. These two transistors. So in on condition, directly 12 volt available. This 12 volt is applied in power pin connector, and then after releasing the power, the backlight, see this backlight, white color wire, operate this, see there, this wire operate this session, and on the PFC first, and then this is the LED driver SMPS. This SMPS operated through PWM IC, but this is controlled by this optional double OP amp. For that, the supply is 5 volt. Pin number 8 is the supply. See the pin number 8 is the supply. So I applied 5 volt supply volt from original board. See there, this is the 5 volt that is mentioned here. 12 to 5 volt output, DC to DC converter. So the IC is ready to work. After connecting, adjust for pin number 5 in this IC, then only the LED driver goes to on, otherwise it won't on. Only it produces 0 volt. First it on and produces high voltage and get 0. After this voltage applied here, pin number 5 of this IC applied here, then only it sends the LED feedback voltage and drive the LED driver session. So for that, see here, this is the alteration for PFC on, and normally adjustable voltage is directly connected to pin number 5 of the optional amplifier, LED driver optional amplifier. So the original LED driver and PFC standby power supply used in this set and fixed U11 board. Now the set is working perfectly. I will show the screen. So picture quality is good.
கிசான் வழங்குகிறது மொத்தம் 8 ஃப்ரூட்ஸோட டேஸ்டையும் வெறும் 20 ரூபாயில. கிசான் பீட்டா நேச்சுரல் இன்டிமேட் வாஷ், இதில் உள்ளது ப்ரீபயோட்டிக்.
In standby mode, backlight goes to off and PFC also goes to off mode. Only 309 volt only available in the main filter. After releasing from standby mode, then only we will get 395 voltage in main filter. See there, I am going to off in standby mode. This is in standby mode. Now I am on the set. Now it is on.
பிரஷ் செய்வதால் இவ்வாறு நடக்குமானால் உங்களுக்கு ஈர பிரச்சனைகள் இருக்கக்கூடும்.
I solved the
இது இன்னும் மோசமான நிலை உண்டாகும்.
Set is in on mode. In main filter 377 voltage. Now I am going to off the set. Now set is in standby mode. 310 voltage only available in main filter. So this is the correct way to fix universal board in PFC circular designed 40 inches set. Thank you for watching this video.